All right, December 4th, Sunday. In progress here. We've got a whole lot of additional allegorical gun rights, horror, carnage, sea monsters, either done or in progress. Just a quick view here. This one has a bunch of writing in it. Blachi, Kaka, blah, U.S. gun terrorism, carnage, slaughter, horror, Al-Qaeda. Yeah, I put Al-Qaeda in there because Al-Qaeda, terrorism, and evangelical Christian American gun rights, terrorism are two sides of the same coin, like mirrors of each other. That's done. These are done. That's in progress. That's in progress. And these are done over here on the right, lower right. More to do. All right, to be continued.